is 10:30 in the morning. Alright, so today I have to do 2 essays, and then I have therapy at 6:15, and then after therapy I want to go to Walmart because I want to do like a trying childhood snacks that I never tried, because there's a few, so we'll see if I can do that. I have a doctor's appointment Wednesday at 9 a.m, so that should be fun to vlog. Okay. See, here's my issue. My issue is that I think David Dobrik is like super cute and shit, but like whatever. But like he's A, my age, and B, literally before he moved to LA, he lived like 30 minutes away from me. So I feel like that's too weird for me to be like, oh my god, he's so cute, because like there's a good chance I did like a track meet that he was at, like either in high school or middle school, and that's like too weird for me to like wrap my head around. Like, is it just me? Like, does that make sense? Because I feel like I don't know, I just like, because like he's basically my age, is he not? I don't know, I just feel like that's a little too weird, but maybe that's just me. I've literally not stopped wearing this hoodie since I got it on Friday. It is the most most comfy thing in the whole entire world. Like, I only have, I think, one sweater or one hoodie that is just as comfy, but it's just nice to have more than one hoodie that's incredibly comfortable. Alright, breakfast is done. So I went to take a shower, but the people who live under me turned their shower on first. So I've just been standing here naked for the past like 10 minutes waiting for them to be done, and then I thought they were done. And I don't know if you can hear it or not, but that's either the toilet or the shower. And since they give us a place to stay, I'm not really about to chance it being their toilet, because, you know, I kind of don't want to be homeless, and I kind of don't want to like just turn on my shower if they're still using the shower and have them get pissed. I mean, I guess that's not really a reason to throw us out, but like so that's how the past 15 minutes of my life have been going. How's your Tuesday? So I'm filming another video right now, and why does that screen shot from like this clip look like the thumbnail to Dan Howell's Living My Truth video? Like it's not a complete accurate replication, but that was the first thing I thought of when I saw this, and I just thought I would share. So I literally just woke up at like 10:03, and Isaiah texted me and he was like, what are you doing? Wake up. And I was just like, I just woke up. He texted me at like 9:45, and I responded the moment I woke up, which was like 10:03. And then he was like, let's hang out. And I was like, okay. So I got in the shower and now he's coming over. Oh, and now he's coming over. So I just got Subway. That's rude.
You're lucky it's not urine.
I didn't even think about that. I don't have a pee kink, I'm so sorry.
R. Kelly's son, actually.
Oh, ew, stop it. That's disgusting. Absolutely not. We do not stand that in this house.
What, peeing on little girls?
Yeah.
It's not cool?
No.
Tell it to him.
You know, I can't, but if I could, I would. Would I place this so that it's... I have not heard good reviews about using Uber Eats to get food, so fingers crossed that it goes well. Am I right? Thank you. It might be that door. Oh. Never mind. No, I didn't, I swear.
You were kind of, that was the biggest cock block.
You had no idea that was gonna happen. I'm sorry. I would like to thank not only God, but also Jesus. I'm literally using a grinder to hold my phone up. Do you want some chips? Do you want some chips?
There you go.
Thanks.
She dropped an onion on the floor.
Hmm?
She dropped an onion on the floor. Fucking monster. Do you have a lighter?
Mm-hmm.
Good Lauren, coming in clutch.
I know what I'm doing.
Man, so you got me a bad bitch for me next, huh?
I hate you.
I said no. I said no.
Why you so many fucking water bottles, Lauren? Finish the
Don't
water
yell
bottle.
at me.
Finish the water bottle, Lauren.
Oh wait, maybe it's in my.
If I can just get my arm out first, that would be great. Thank you very much. Now you can go ahead and search for it. I appreciate it. Did you not understand what I was trying to do? Or were you just okay?
Find it?
Oh, joint.
Unsurprising.
You wanna come outside and smoke with me?
Absolutely not. We're not going outside. The fuck do you think this is?
Put the jacket on real quick.
I'm not going
Got
outside.
some more weed.
I'm not going outside.
How much weed do you just get for free?
Oh, is that mine?
Yeah, this was in your drawer.
Of what? Let me see. Oh.
Lauren!
How do you feel?
Let's watch a YouTube video of people ordering a cup of water and then tipping $30,000. Because that's quality content right there on YouTube.
So far he's got.
Some more 4 cheese raviolis. We're about to be Italians tonight.
So far he's got P.F. Chang's egg rolls. He's got 2 4 cheese raviolis.
Oh, those are your-
What else you got?
Got some frozen meatballs in there.
You do. That's very true.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna keep it simple. I'm just gonna go 4 cheese raviolis and egg rolls.
What'd you make last time you were here? It was the mac and cheese with the sauces, I think. How's the baking going?
It's going good.
How'd that go?
Didn't burn me.
Isaiah's now a chef. Okay. So, how do they look? They do actually look really crunchy. No, they look flaky is what they look. So he agreed to let me put makeup on his face if I let him take a nap afterwards. Look at that highlight though. I mean, and that eyeshadow. He looks great. Do you feel pretty? Okay, well that's an issue.